The district working president Narendra Kishore Debbarma of Tipra Motha and 8 Tipra Motha and YTF leaders of Sipai Jila has joined the IPFT party, leaving the Tipra Motha on Tuesday. The IPFT State Secretary Shopan Debbarma, Vice President Krishna Kanta Jamatia, AGS Buddha Debbarma and Treasurer Advocate Amit Debbarma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag. After the Vice President of Chorilam Constituent Assembly Bishwajit Debbarma and 13 other executives of Tipra Motha has resigned their post on Sunday, again the District Working President Narendra Kishore Debbarma of Tipra Motha and 8 Tipra Motha and YTF leaders of Sipai Jila has joined the IPFT party, leaving the Tipra Motha on Tuesday. The IPFT State Secretary Shopan Debbarma, Vice President Krishna Kanta Jamatia, AGS Buddha Debbarma and Treasurer Advocate Amit Debbarma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag. The executives of IPFT welcomed their new supporter by organizing a press meet at Agartala on Tuesday.
Chini Pura June mas talsa Chini IPFT party ni membership collection abhijan choli tongo Sara Tripura rajyo bibhinno jaga joining program norok nugoi tongo tato jara 2000 cross khlai keja Orani bising tini ang khuboi khushi tontok mani yapar mani karone ke borok actually Tipra Motha ba onno kono mothani party tongmanya member tongmaya brok yapang ni simino 2009-10 ni simi jepur theke Tipra land movement chenka IPFT ni bisingti apron simino borok IPFT go tongo ake hoito kuni kesaro bibhinno karone borok Tipra Motha join khlaika Borok haino hai tabo nogo kipeli paika sini IPFT party go borono sang lamsogo tini jara join khlaine leader rokni bisingo tongo Narendra Kishore Debbarma bo Sipai Jila district ni working president Tipra Motha party ni Sumanto Debbarma bo district committee ni Sipai Jila district committee ni member Subrata Debbarma bo president YTF Block Boxonagar Block Committee ni Tipra Motha Party Hiron Debbarma bo member sini Ranjit Debbarma bo member Santosh Debbarma bo Vice President Agartala District Committee ni Tipra Motha Party ni Sondaran Debbarma bo Vice President Golagati Block ni Tipra Motha Party tai sini logi Rongai NGO by Kerja 10323 ni Bo tabo Roman script or Kobrok Soba RS Kisi Bego Kerja Sini Bukoksu Renuka Debbarma Bo Botini Sanbai Gadal Pekya Sini Party was no Jotono Lamsogo Okay Orosudo Sini Bukok Renuka Debbarma Simia 2023 Oro 2023 Divisingo Tongo Sini Narendra Kishore Debbarma Yaki Chatisi Bo 2023 Nino Sini logi tongo Sondaran Debbarma Bo 2023 no Okay so Ogoni bisingti o program ni bisingti 2023 ni jara victimize jara tonero borono selection kemani karon obono boroni live abo ayang buyang tomahai kazei borom ni je somosya abo sini party ni bisingti state level kok sanani bagaichon sini party ni bisingti borno sojog rikha borok kok saiman nai joto 2023 ni protinidhi ngina borok tini IPFT party was joined like
Out of 8 members who left Tipra Motha, there are the District Working President Narendra Kishore Debbarma of Tipra Motha District Committee member Sumanto Debbarma, YTF President of Boxonagar Block Subrato Debbarma, Member of Primary Committee Hiran Debbarma, Ranjit Debbarma, Vice President of Takajala Constituent Assembly Santosh Debbarma, Vice President of Golagati Block Shandaram Debbarma and Renuka Debbarma.
No, tinin salo Motha yakari IPFT harmani jehetu Motha dabo biga assembly bo birudi edisio ba hapong asukja abor yakari tini IPFT phaiman na harmu tambo phemukle
Puliona hambai an mungke Santosh Debbarma an potenge Tipra Motha YTF District Vice President tini ang phaiman karon ke ang awas kipilo katalwa bang phaya tan ningang 2000 jepuro Tipra ni movement choliwa apun chimin ang tongo ang kan boyo kun katalya Tipra leno seng tiap strong khanya ni se tini ani sarano rinka engkang ma phakya seng bo bisodo Tipra leno tiap strong katlangnai dengan ke seng bahagi Tipra len kari tuimano abu Chini bo bisodo seng sam khachanai engkai Tipra Motha ang je khaimen ke actually ang kisa unsatisfied man bagai ang yak maya ka sang hambai
belai kan hambai sini media friends no tini singa jago IPFT faimani karon abano sini purwakta vice president setanga sing actually sini nok kasaman sing phirogi phaibo engka sing ekta somoy hoyto ki phili onje jaga thangmani thingno phiaba asag IPFT rok or Tripura how asag movement khaimani asag history sanangmani asag leader rok brong ni positive kaisa sini bagai borok ki phili phainai o hamjamung tai belus tongman bagai na sangtini haini hai sini nok kasam sing ki phili phaikya ngamon sanamo sugo Tripura how IPFT ta se sangang phinai tai kadal ka history sanami tongo sanana thangi tong engke amo besango sing kabang ma sini naisik mung sini je dreams je goal achievement ongnani bagai ready ong tong aban bagai o Tripura how IPFT je busli sarmani buslinya sung tabok bumogno sung pekhagai bothai tai bobar khayai sung pura pir saribai sara Tripura how plus chini jai IPFT je what demand je imam amano sung success plan bagi tong sini ajawa tong ya prisanani katal khai sung ajawa khaigas.
The executives of Tipra Motha who left their party states that the IPFT party is rising again in Tripura and they will get the results in coming days. As such situation in the state, it is not justifiable on which political parties is going bigger than another party. Reported by Krishano from Agartala, Chini Khorang.